Allah Barak Yahuah at all times. His praise is continually in my mouth, that my being shall boast in Yahuah. Let the humble hear and be glad. Gimel, make Yahuah great with me, and let us exalt his name together. Dalet, I sought Yahuah, and he answered me, and delivered me from all my fears. Hey, they looked to him and were lightened, while in their faces were not ashamed. Zayin, this poor one, cried out, and you heard him, and saved him out of all his distresses. Let the messenger of Yahuah encamps all around those who revere him, and rescues them. Taste and see that Yahuah is good. Baruch is the man that takes refuge in him. Yad, revere Yahuah, you his Kadoshim, for there is no lack to them who revere him. Calf, young lions have lacked and been hungry, but those who seek Yahuah lack not any goodness. Lament, come, you children, listen to me. Let me teach you the reverence of Yahuah. Mem, who is the man who desires life, who loves many days, in order to see good? None, keep your tongue from evil, and your lips from speaking deceit. Sumek, turn away from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. Ayin, the eyes of Yahuah are on the righteous, and his ears unto their cry. Pay the face of Yahuah is against evildoers, to cut off their remembrance from the earth. Sadi, crying out, and Yahuah heard, and delivered them out of all their distresses. Cough, Yahuah is near to the broken-hearted, and save those whose spirit is crushed. Resh, many are the evils of the righteous, but Yahuah delivers him out of them all. Shin, he is guarding all his bones, not one of them is broken. Ta, evil slays the wicked, and those who hate the righteous are guilty. Yahuah redeems the lives of his servants, and none of those taking refuge in him are guilty.